remember. Oh my goodness. There's candy. Let's go down here and look.
Happy Easter, right?
Yeah. Let's go look for some more. Thank you. This is what we're going to do at each stop. All gone. Let's go find some more beans, jelly beans. Yeah, saying your name. Look down. What's down there? Here, put them in your basket. Okay, let's go find some more. Oh, look, there's more. Good job. Wow, Ryder, you have a lot of jelly beans.
Can you find more jelly
Can you
beans?
find more?
Find more.
Oh, there are more.
Wow, look at all that. Ooh. Can you find more, Ryder? Ryder,
Find some more.
find more jelly beans. Yeah, look,
Look on the couch.
look on the couch. Where's?
Look on the couch, Ryder.
Couch?
Yeah, look on the couch.
There's more jelly beans. Woohoo! Yeah, it's candy.
Good. Can you look on the other couch?
Oh,
Look under there. Look over here. Check under the pillow. Yeah, look under the pillow. Look under the pillow.
Oh.
Lift it. Oh, jelly beans.
Oh, jelly beans.
There's one. There was another one. Where'd it go?
He kicked it. It just went underneath.
Oh,
I can
okay.
see it.
How about the chair? Can you look on the chair? Do you see more? Look for more jelly beans.
Jelly beans.
Look over that way. Do you see any over here?
Here?
Look for more jelly beans.
Oh, jelly beans.
Look over that way.
Okay. Jelly beans.
Come on, let's look over here. Look for jelly beans. Do you see any more jelly beans?
Jelly beans.
Uh-huh. Jelly beans?
Jelly beans.
Look on the table. Where is it on the table? Do you see any jelly beans?
Jelly beans.
Spotted. Woohoo!
Jelly beans.
Yay! Now let's walk this way. Go over this way. Look for some over here, Ryder. Do you see any over here?
Where?
Oh, more jelly beans.
Jelly.
Uh-huh.
Whoa.
Whoa. Do you need help? Here, I'll hold this while you get your jelly beans. He's afraid I'm going to take off with them. You're funny. 3. Okay, now let's walk in here.
Go in the kitchen, right? Go out in the... Huh? 4 minutes and something.
Oh, that's not going to upload.